Hello, hello, hello. This is Els coming to you from Bemis Crafty Corner. How are we doing today? Good, I hope. So, I gotta take my pill. Hold on. So obviously I went to Tuesday morning. Not that pill, this one. And I got some stuff. Now they had a lot of stuff, and I'll show that to you in the video. But I got these 3 things, or 4 things, or something like that. Anyway, I got some stuff. Go look at what I got in the store. Go look.
All right, let's take a look at what we've got. So this is new. We have the Spectrum Noir 6 color packs, professional alcohol markers for $5.99. They have the reds, 2260622. They have the yellows, 2260626. They have the browns, 2260615. They have the warm grays, 2260625. They have the blues, 2260614. And they have the cool grays in 2260616. So they got the full set of those, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of those. Then I saw these. I thought these were kind of cool. These are from Jolie. These are $2.99 a set. They are journaling cards. And it's like they have journaling cards and a couple of other things that go with them. Like there's a little tag and a pocket and some wood embellishments in here. Kind of cool. This one here, the floral one, is 2275743. The travel one, let me show you this one. That's like a shaker tag. So this one has 2275741, and then this is another travel one. It's like a road trip. It's got some enamel pieces on it, and it's it's like cards with enamel. That's kind of different. And this is like painted wood, and this one is 2275742. Then they had some new Bo Bunny stamps in. I've got the egg one here for Easter for $2.99, 2241103, and then I saw this one. This one's really cool. This one is like seed pack, and the number on this one is 2241104. We're taking that one. Okay. Then they got in the Chamel stickers for the unicorn pad, 2196371. They're cute. See, they're cute, cute, cute. Of course, the ever-present little dragon. He's on there as well. And then we got in some paper pads. Well, let's look at this one first. So we got in some wood elements Saturday afternoon. These are wood veneers in a tray. And they've got like some floral ones and some flowers and some fruit. And there's cameras and more fruit. And these are hot air balloons and a motorcycle for $1.99 on these. 2246755. Anything else good? Okay. So then we got in some Bo Bunny embellishments here. This is the layered chipboard for $1.99, 2241102, and that's a good thing because I got in the pad for the cottontail. So this is the matching pad for $2.99, 2241099. So those go together. And then this doesn't actually go with the set. I mean, it does. It's cottontail. This is the 12 by 12 for $6.99, 2241098. Let's take a look. And it just repeats, and that's 48 pages on that one. And let's take a look at the little one real quick. And that one is 36 pages on that, so we got that one. All right, then we got a few other pads in. This is Echo Park Word Card Play Hard, and it's already torn open, so I figured we'd take a look at it, right? I mean, if it's already torn. All right, so this one's $6.99, 2176362, 24 single-sided papers in this one. This one's very butch, very guy. So if you're looking for something for the guy in your life, there you go. Work hard, play hard. And then I saw this. This is the Jungle Safari for $5.99, 215-1238. This would be great for making a baby book or something for a little boy. So you've got papers in here. This is from Echo Park, 12 pages. And then here's your stickers on the back, right? And then they have the 6x6 pad. This is 24 double-sided pages. Let's take a look at the paper. Too stinking cute. Like, oh my God, cute. So they have that. Then they have this one. This is Jane Hadfield's Simple Life. 2137440 on this one. Let's take a look. Single-sided shapes. And there's a couple of different types of cut-aparts in here. There's the first one. They look like kind of like seed packets. And then this one, which is more just your black and whites. So that one's $6.99. And they have this, the Princess Cut Diamond from Ella and Viv Paper Company for $2.99. This is 8 12x12 papers, 1 sheet per design, 1 coordinating sticker sheet. And they don't have the sheet on the back, so I can't see it. I'm thinking that's probably it right there, but we'll get it and find out. Let's take this one home. Okay. All right, so guys, then there's this. And I'm working on that journal, so I'm going to grab this one. This is the Practically Perfect 6x6 paper pad, double-sided. So I'm going to grab that for $2.99. And then this is the one right here. The Tim Holtz Distress Crayons, 21-piece pack for $9.99. This includes 6 distress crayons, 1 mini distress archival ink pad, 1 clear stamp set, which looks like some kind of butterfly, 1 acrylic block, hey, that's a bonus, a paintbrush, 5 sheets of distressed watercolor cardstock, which means it's just paper, and 1 technique booklet. So that is $9.99 from Tim Holtz there. Distress crayons that can stay in the store forever. All right.
Okay, so what did I actually buy at Tuesday morning? All right, so the first thing I got was this, as I promised, for $2.99. This is the Ella and Viv Paper Company Princess Cut Diamond Kit. And of course, we bought this just to see the sticker sheet, right? Right. Because they didn't put it on the back like they're supposed to. And I could have just opened it at the store like they'd get mad at me, right? All right, let's see what we got. Blank sheet of paper. So you could cut these out. That would be cool. All right. So there's this one. Whoa. And that one. That one. Oh my God. Nah. Oh. That one. And that one. Yep, those are the stickers. Food, water, diamond, the essentials. I got it. Ain't that it right there? He asked, she said, about time. Okay. So I got that. Don't know if I'm going to keep it, but I got it. We did get the Bo Bunny seed, sowing the seed stamp for $2.99. I just like it. You know, it's like the back of a seed packet kind of thing. And so I thought that was kind of cool. So I grabbed that. And then, you know, I'm working on that journal, the Mary Poppins journal. So I think I have this pad, but I just wanted to, you know, grab it. If I already have it, then I can take it back. But it's the Mary Poppins paper, basically. And so, you know, I'm going to be doing that, Practically Perfect, for $2.99. So I grabbed that one as well from Cartabella. And that's it, guys. That's all I got. So until the next time, do me a favor, if you haven't done so already, hit that red button and subscribe. You like me, ring my bell and share me with all your friends. Because I got paper and stamps and whoa, whatever this is. Till the next time. Bye-bye.